Tonight is a date night. I got my lovely wife back here. We're going to a super cool restaurant, a style that I really like, that I've never seen in the West, and I think it's awesome. Let's go check it out. Obviously, the mall's gonna be packed right now. Look how many people are freaking pulling in right now. Hard to park. Now we go down the maze. The first time you drive down here, it's like terrifying. You don't know where you're going.
Spot. Not bad.
Not bad. Yeah, this is a great seat for us. Perfect for a little date. Why is this so cool? I will show you. I'm sure you've been to like a Korean barbecue or maybe like a hot pot kind of restaurant. This is a similar vibe, but it's a steam spot. So let me show you why it's so cool. We got this like steamer thing built into the table. This lifts up. We're gonna order stuff. We're gonna steam it. And at the bottom, there's like, they put rice down here and then we have rice porridge at the end of the meal. This pot's cracked, but it's really cool. So she's gonna start preparing.
Cháo bên em bao gồm gạo, nếp, đậu xanh và bí đỏ. Không biết mình có giữ thành phần nào không?
She's getting us a new. Yeah, that one didn't look good. And so basically she's gonna start and we have some mung bean, pumpkin, and rice. And that's gonna be the beginning of our porridge. Come on in. This one's cool.
Dạ, trong quá trình hấp nó rất là nóng nên là đừng đụng thành nồi chả nắp nồi giúp em nha.
So the place we went to last time, it was just right for the porridge. But this one's got mung bean and pumpkin in it, so that's cool. Even healthier, I'll take it. And now you can see the steam is starting to come already. It's pumping, already pumping. As we order stuff, it's gonna steam on top of here. Yeah, so cool. And then all like the steaming juice will drip down and then we'll eat the porridge at the end of the meal. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, and it's pumping. Is there any, here, I know you want a dim sum too. I know you like shumai. All right, fine. Jade one? Yeah. All right, fine. And then I want to get a broccoli. Yeah, so we can just get vegetable out of here too. All right, I want this sturgeon then. Oh, I can get pork neck if you want pork neck. Oh, pork neck? Okay. I think that's for the rice, for the porridge. Okay. And then these are like all extra stuff, and these are to put inside your porridge. So you can have your porridge with salmon. She wants it with duck egg, salted egg. That's fine with me. We can get some ribs in there too.
Yeah, I'll try this.
Good. All right. So 2 meats, a broccoli, and 3 dumplings, and an egg to share. You want to start with that?
Yeah.
All right. Let's start with that. Bada bing. Process that order. Go. All right, and we'll go make our sauces. You ready for a sauce run? You ready? All right, let's go get our sauces. A little pina colada. There's a little bit of fruit up there. That's cool. Every time I do this, I just put so much garlic inside. Let's do this one loaded. We are sauced up. We are ready. I thought a bottle of soju might be a little aggressive. They kind of like stack all your stuff on the table, so that's our table again. There I see our dumplings. And then it's kind of like Korean hot pot. Like they keep it going. They cook everything. So it just sits here, cooks in front of us. It's cool.
I just put that in.
Cilantro in the green.
And the satay.
This one has satay. I have every style.
The satay.
I got a lot of good stuff in here. I'm excited. They keep loading our tray up with more stuff. Okay, young man, let's get something steaming. Oh, we're starting. I'm excited. That's the pork cheek, broccoli, and our egg. He set a timer for 5 minutes. But so everything is timed out into the minute on how long it's going to take in here. And basically they're cooking 1 or 2 things at a time in the steamer, so you're always watching them cook. Which makes it good for a date because there's a lot of time in between courses, at least 5 minutes. But it doesn't make it good if you're coming with a family of 5. Because once the food comes out, everybody grabs it and it's all gone, then you're waiting again. So we've been here with the kids and it wasn't like, even though I really like the concept, it wasn't really an enjoyable dinner. So I told her it'd be really nice if we go back just the 2 of us. It could be really fun. And you know, I can eat quickly, but I can't eat that quickly. And it's actually loud. Yeah, it's very loud. But it's really cool. I mean, look how we're down to the last minute. Oh, 50 seconds. Can you imagine too if I have my 3 kids on the other side of this table and I know there's 50 seconds left and I'm counting how many bites are in here and I know I'm only gonna get 2 bites out of this minute, this round.
Just always remember how many food we have.
I always think about every bite. Every single food that lands on the table, I'm aware of how many bites there are for everyone and how they're equally spaced between everybody.
It's not easy for him to give up his food.
Not stuff I like. We got a timer beat. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It's time. Ooh, there we go. Hooray.
Do you want to cook more?
I'm not going to argue with their timing. If you want to cook it more, you can. Or he said chincho, right?
The eggs in 5
More,
minutes.
yeah. So our broccoli and our steamed pork neck. I'll bring this over for you. I say the broccoli is cooked perfectly. Yeah. Pork neck is good. Wow. It's great. The broccoli is great. It's so green, but it's still tender. Oh, I like it.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, really good.
I like the dipping sauce. I put a lot of garlic in mine.
I put a lot of garlic in mine. Always.
Wow.
I like it. I like it a lot.
The 2 people, no kids, is feel so relaxed.
Yeah. And I feel like I actually get a couple bites. It's cool.
This restaurant, the food coming so quick.
There's nothing for them to do. They put it on a plate and bring it out. I'm not surprised about that. I mean, just as a cook and a chef, that's why I really like this concept of a restaurant. That was such a cool idea. It's healthy. That part's really cool. And in terms of food preparation, it's pretty darn easy. In terms of hiring skilled people, you don't need it. All the food is cooked right here. All you do is just make sure they set the timer correctly. As long as the timer is set correctly, the food is cooked consistently every time. It's awesome.
It's too foggy for the soup.
No, it's okay. I kind of like that. No, it's a steam restaurant. That's what we're doing.
It's really good.
I dig it. We definitely do this again. And it's just gonna, it feels so light. Ooh, wow, nice. That was a nice pour he did there. And our egg thing is done. Hooray.
Ooh, Jay will love that.
Cool. Let's see what's next. I'm stirring up our porridge. It's so cool how it steams in the pot, but the water doesn't go down.
And all the juice
All the juice drip down. Keep flavoring it. He's even judging how much to cook at a time. He sees our table's kind of full. He didn't put everything in, which is fine. I'm gonna bring these dumplings towards us. And the dumplings look good. They look good. Fried garlic. Yeah, I like it. There's a whole shrimp in there. Wow. This is like a steamed egg custard with shrimp. I don't love the egg custard. No, the egg is cooked. There's a flavor I don't know what it is. It might be ginkgo nut or seafood, something. Okay. You know what that flavor is? There's something in there I don't remember the flavor. I like the dumpling a lot. I like the pork neck a lot. They're good. There's a little mala in there. Cool. This is the steamed sturgeon. Yeah, but there's a bone in it. It's presented like this. I don't expect to be a bone. Well, the fish is good. Pork neck, top tier. I love the pork neck.
Yeah.
On this one, the shumai he said for 7 minutes. So they all have different cooking times, yeah.
Yeah, look like an overall meat.
Maybe that's why he didn't mix them too, because they had different cooking times.
Yeah, I don't see this in America.
No, I've never seen this in America.
What do you think if you can go to the Asian area, they might have that?
I've never seen it. I think most Americans are going to think if it's steamed, it's boring, but it's not true at all.
Like a steamed meat or just boiled meat?
Boiled meat, yeah. We don't understand the purity, the delicateness of steamed or boiled stuff. But I think if they came there once or twice and were shown how to eat it and tried it, they would like it. I mean, it's hard to get healthier. It's so good.
I think the fish okay.
I like the fish. I don't like, there's bones in it. I don't like the fragments of bones in this. I don't want to be fighting with bones for this. Sticky, kind of fatty. It's good. Gelatinous.
I'm getting full.
You full? Don't worry, I'm here to save you. Well, that's good. We only have 2 more things and then a big giant pot of porridge.
I think the smell because...
There's a stock in there. There's some sort of broth in here. It's like dashi broth. It's like a smoked or dried seafood soup, something like that. It tastes like dashi.
Oh, I'm full.
Oh, really? You crushed, huh? Wow. All right. Whoa. All right. I can't do 12 more dumplings by myself.
I eat the shumai. I like it.
Yeah. Wow. So big.
Oh my God.
So big and fat shumai. Perfect for you. I know you've been hungry. Oh, they are big.
Is that everything?
Oh, the jade, the dumpling too. And now we're gonna stir it up again. Last one. We can do it, honey. I believe in us. I believe in us. Another 7 minute. My wife is crushed. She's super full. We'll do our best with our shumai. And this did look pretty darn good.
I always love shumai.
Was that a secret Chinese technique? A secret technique there, just stabbing the dumpling?
Just like this.
Is that the way to do it?
Yeah, that's how I do.
That's how you do it. Okay. Yo. You going for my sauces? You like my sauce, huh? Is that the chef's sauce you like?
You have more sauce than I do.
Good. Bouncy. I like this place because it forces me to eat slow. I like that. Even if I want to go, I can't. I have to wait. And I still got 1 more minute before the next round.
Oh my God, I am.
You're dead. She's gone. It's over. It's ready. Oh, he said, enjoy your meal. Have a delicious meal. So now we got our green dumplings ready, and our set of porridge is now just sitting here. So we can scoop this out, and we'll eat it with our little duck egg over here, and it'll be so romantic. You feel the romance in the air?
Romance.
Should I try my Riz on you, Shay?
Silly man.
Silly
always.
man? How come the ugly man always with a beautiful woman?
That's so funny. I like that.
You like that? You want porridge now?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll help you.
Just a little. I want to try.
Woo! Getting there. And by getting there, I mean I'm there. It's cool to have a porridge at the end too. Something so light to finish on.
And they put some mung bean in there. That's good.
You like that?
Mung bean and a pumpkin. Yeah.
Why do you like that? Because the flavor, just because it's healthy?
No, because it is flavor.
Flavor, yeah.
Yeah. Feel a little bit fatty.
Creamy?
Creamy. Yeah, creamy. And it's fragrant. But like in Vietnam, sometimes they kind of toast the mung bean first. Put in there even better too.
Good.
The duck egg is good.
This is good. These are good. These are tapioca
Oh, yeah?
dumpling. They're good, yeah.
Let me try one.
I do already have a plan for dessert as well. We'll bring it home for the kids.
Yeah, the kid will be happy. He's always thinking about buying some dessert for the kids, getting dessert for the kids.
And for me too. I got one more dumpling in me. I got some porridge.
The porridge is good. Oh, this one's good.
I know it's good, yeah. The porridge is good. Do you have any interesting stories you want to share to the viewer at home about porridge and growing up as a little girl? Nope, not gonna happen. There you go. All right, let's try this.
I like the yolk. It just makes the gel even better.
I think it's pretty great. I really like it. This meal, just the whole thing. It's very, very enjoyable. Very good for a date. I don't think you should come here with 4 people or 5. 3 people or less. 2 people ideal. I think it's a great date spot. There's going to be very few women who would not be happy about having a nice healthy meal like this, and it's good. It takes a lot of time. There's a lot of time to talk in between. Sometimes we go out and we get something and then we just crush the bowl, whatever it is, and then we're done in like 10 minutes and we're like, we can't go home. That's like too short of a date. So this is good to force us. We at least, minimum we have a 40-minute dinner. So this has no seasoning. There's no salt. So we need to, this is a salted duck egg, so it kind of adds some seasoning. It's very salty. It's cool. Is that raw or cooked?
It's cooked. If it's raw, it's running like a normal egg.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one time, and I thought it's already cooked, and then I just break it, and it's just running like a normal egg.
Totally normal?
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. Enough. Some Roy.
No,
Jet Roy.
No, Roy.
Jet Roy. You got the check, and I'll show you my dessert spot. Supla.
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 Supla trắng, supla xanh.
It's just a new word for broccoli I never heard. I usually hear broccoli as bum kai san, but this is supla san. Interesting. The porridge make me warm. Make me start sweating now.
That's why when in the cold weather, people like to eat the hot soup.
And how about in the hot weather, people like to eat the hot soup too? That's you guys. You weirdos eating hot weather, yeah. But after you lived in Vietnam long enough, you do want soup all the time, no matter what the weather is. I just love soup so much. Total bill $771,000. Maybe about $30. Go for a little walk.
Sure.
You ready to walk a little bit?
Oh, yes, I need to.
All right, let's get in. You dead? You all right? You want me to carry you out of here? I like your new hair. It looks so nice.
You like it?
You'll see, like the malls in America are like dying and dead. The malls in Vietnam are pumping. They're packed every week now. This is where people come. I'm so excited. Here, your rat's over here, honey boy. It's not great. It's not
No,
great. But
no.
your love and relationship's okay. You don't
Yeah,
worry
yeah.
about your finances. It's fine.
Yeah.
I'll take care of it. It'll balance out. We're looking at our fortunes right now because it's like right next to the year. So my wife is a rat and she's gonna have a bad year. But don't get upset because I'm a tiger and I'm gonna have a great year. It's top tier. Look at me, the tiger. Look at this. Wealth, top. Career, top. Love and relationships. That's your cue to like and subscribe, okay? All right, let's go get our dessert. As we walk to our destination, how did you enjoy your meal?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Would you go back?
Yeah.
Have a favorite thing on the table?
To me, I think I like chow.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad you like the porridge the most.
The porridge with the salted eggs, really good.
Okay, how about a point?
8.5.
8.5, yeah.
Yes.
I really like it. I would totally go back. I'd go back as a date. That's kind of the only
Yeah.
time I'm going back there is a date, a 2
Two
top
people,
maximum.
that's good.
That's it. But it's a great date. I would love to do it, and I'm sure we're gonna go back again. Not far from us, very clean food. I love it.
It's a lot of food for us.
We ordered too much. We could have easily gotten 2 plates less and just finished all the porridge. Favorite thing on the table was the steamed pork neck. That was fantastic. Definitely the best to me. Even the broccoli. I really like the broccoli too. And I think food-wise, it's an 8, but overall experience is a 9. I really enjoyed it. Very, very happy. All right, this is our spot. This is a kind of a hidden gem. Brand new to the District 7 scene, but there is one in District 2. It's on the outside of Crescent Mall. You cannot see it or find it on the inside of Crescent Mall. You have to walk to the front on the Nguyen Van Linh side, and then you'll see crispy donuts.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, the lights? Oh, you want to look at that?
That's so
cool.
beautiful.
Yeah. During this time, there's maximum decorations all over the city for the new year. And even on the streets today, so many flowers. Oh my God, there's so many people selling flowers everywhere. That's pretty. That says since 1988. Oh, what? This donut shop has a sign since 1988. I don't understand, unless it's from a different country. Because I feel like the one in Taodin in District 2 opened up, I don't know, 2 years ago, 3 years ago? Regardless, it's a great donut. It really is a great donut. It's kind of hard to find an authentic, an American donut. This place tastes nearly identical to Krispy Kreme. So if you like Krispy Kreme and you're craving a donut, this is a spot to come to. But don't get anything else besides the glaze. The glaze is all you need. It's the best one. Xin chào. Oh my God, I thought it was a lemon one. Apple cheese caramel.
I like the...
The snow muffin?
Yeah.
Oh my God, my wife's gonna break my one rule. I just told everybody, just get glazed, don't get anything else, and you're gonna break that rule?
Cho chị một hộp 6 cái với một cái kia 155 thôi em.
Oh, my poor wife. She said, the more beautiful you look, the slower you walk. That's what she said.
Look at all my heel.
I think you should make them higher. Thank you so much. Come on. Hooray! A free one.
Alright, let's go home. Oh,
Let's go.
it's still hot.
Yeah, it's hot, I know. Amazing. They give you a free one when you come in too.
It is good.
Wow. Holy crap, it's still hot.
I think this probably is the best one I had.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Yes.
Damn, that's delicious. Pretty top tier. We're gonna go grab our bike. We'll bring it home for the kids to eat. Just a heads up too, like when you park downstairs, they give you that ticket that we grabbed. We give that back to them. And then it's usually about 5,000 to park per bike. So it's like 25 cents to park usually. Damn delicious. All right, let's get the bike. Let's see how the kids and Uncle Mike are doing. Oh my God, we're watching the movie. Wow, we got a little fort going. We got crispy donuts. Yeah. Donuts! Crack your donut. Wow, Krispies.
And right now there's 6.
And Mommy and I got a free one. I'm good. I don't need any more. Look at the fort over here. Sick, bruh. When you get in there, they do give you a free one. And so like the free one was warm and it was pretty great. It was great. Jay, do you like it? Nice. Anything you want to say about our dinner, honey? We're out of here.
Oh, I'm stuck.
She's super full, she's dead. Really good spot, super recommend it. Enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not following the new CKSK channel, check it out. It'll be linked down below.
You guys need a babysitter. I highly
Michael Cross the Road, sir, is a top tier babysitter. His hourly rate is affordable, all right? He's affordable, he's very good.
One donut.
He needs one glazed donut and free pizza, and he's pretty good. And he can handle 3 kids at a time, so he's pretty kick butt. Make sure to follow the CKSK channel. We have all the edited live streams up there. The channel just got monetized, so thank you for the people who are already following. Very exciting stuff. If you want to go on a food tour with me, check out checkthemenup.com. Until next time, see you later, peace.